72.46 billion SHIB dumped by biggest whales overnight. According to recent data shared by a large wallet tracker, 100 of the largest addresses on the Ethereum chain have dumped more than 72.4 billion of SHIB meme coins overnight. Top 100 whales selling their SHIB whale stats platform that traces data linked to the largest wallets on Ethereum, BSC, Polygon and other blockchains, has shared that since yesterday, the overall balance of SHIB held by the 100 largest wallets on Ethereum shrank by approximately $600,000. This is the equivalent of 72,463,768,115 Shiba Inu at the current SHIB US dollar exchange rate. They are now holding $48,082,449 worth of SHIB in total, compared to $48,697,308 on December 20th. Shiba Inu, nevertheless, remains on the top 10 list of these whales' holdings. According to a recent tweet by the same data platform, the top 500 whales are holding $2 million worth of SHIB more than the top 100 wallets, $50,277,387. SHIB regains 15th place on CoinMarketCap. The second largest meme token, Shiba Inu, has managed to recapture 15th place on the scale of the popular crypto reference site CoinMarketCap. Recently, it has been pushed to 16th place from 14th place. Now, as SHIB's market cap value has risen, it moved back a step closer to the list of the top 10 cryptocurrencies.